Good day, I'm Don Torres, and in this video, I will be performing file services on Windows Server 2008. Let's begin. First, let's go to our local disk, and then let's create these folders. The first will be the uh, academic department, and then the administrative department. Now, inside the academic department, here we have the basic art and sciences department, electrical and allied department, mechanical and allied department, and then a civil and allied department. Let's now make them. Now we've successfully created our departments for the academic department. And now for each department in the academic department, we will be creating the courses inside them. First for the basic art and sciences department, which is the electrical, electronics, and then the computer hardware and computer software. Now after doing that, let's also create the university folder and then the installer folder. Now let's go to add roles and to enable our file services. Let's click next. And then let's find file services. Then let's click next, next. And then let's check distributed file system, file, file server resource manager, services for network file system. And then let's click on next. Let's click next. Then let's click next. For our user account, let's choose our administrator. Let's click next. And then next, let's check our local disk. Then next, then let's install. Now we have successfully installed file services. Let's close this. Next step is that we'll go to our administrative tools and then find admin file server resource manager. Here it is. Now to set the storage quota, let's select quota management and then select quota templates. Then right click and then create new quota template. Let's name this template 1 GB and then set the limit to 1 GB. Then let's click OK, and then there we have it. Our go to template limit of 1 GB. Now let's go to file screening management, and then we'll go to file groups. Let's create a new file group and then name it as general. Now, according to our file sharing instruction, we'll be adding .ppt, .doc, .docs, .xls, .pptx, and .pdf. Let's do that. Then now let's click OK. Here we have the general, the .doc, .docs, .pdf, .ppt, .pptx, and then .xls. Now let's go to File Screen Templates, and then let's create a new template. Let's also name it General. And then let's create a new file. Let's select all the file groups except General. And let's click OK. As we can see, we've already created the General for the File Screen templates. And then let's create another template and name it IT. Let's select all the templates except the executable files. Then let's click OK. Now to proceed with creating a shared provision folder, let's go back to the administrative tools and then select Server Manager. Let's select the rows and then click on File Services. Let's go to Share and Storage Management. And then from here, let's select Provision Share. C from our academic department, from the Basic Arts and Sciences department, and then the BT VTE Computer Hardware. Now let's select our C volume. Let's go next. Let's go next. SMB. Let's go next. Next. And then let's customize our users that will be able to have access from this. For this, let's let's type computer and check name, computer hardware, test.com, VTE, computer hardware, computer software. This one is the computer hardware. Let's click OK. And then let's allow change and read. Let's click apply, then OK. Select this, remove everyone, apply, OK. Let's click next. Let's apply quota of 1 GB for this. Let's apply file screen, the general, and then let's click create. Now we have created this SMB for the PTBT computer hardware. Now let's do the same for the other departments and courses. Now, for our information technology course, click next, next, SMB, next, users permission, remove. Let's add the information technology, and then our custom group, which is MTEX. Supply, okay. And then for a quota, we'll be placing 1 gigabyte. For the file screen services, we'll be choosing the IT instead of the general. Now let's click next, and then create. Now we're finished with all the academic departments. All the academic departments permission share. Let's proceed with the administrative department. Now we are done with the academic department and the administrative department. Now let's go and create a permission share for our university folder. So click this, browse, and then let's find our university folder. Here we have the university folder. Let's do our main storage. Next, next. Let's choose SMB. Next, next. And then for users, we'll be choosing our domain users. Okay. Then let's apply and okay. Let's choose the 1 gigabyte quota. And then for the file screen, let's apply the general. Then let's go and create this. Now we are done with the university folder. For the installer folder, we'll be choosing this, finding that, and then this one. Now for this installer folder, let's add a dollar sign to the end so that only the administrator can access it. Let's click next, next. Then for our users, let's add only the administrator. Check name, administrator, to build an account. And then, okay, let's add this administrators. Let's click apply, and then okay. And then let's apply the 1 gigabyte quota. And then for the fast screen, let's click general. And then let's create, and then we're done. So this is it for the shared provision or file services in Windows Server 2008.